Hi everyone. There's been some questions from Aquaware 3.1 users to Aquaware 4 users that center around power levels resetting themselves. So I want to kind of run through a couple of the scenarios and explain why the software was designed to do that. So we launch Aquaware. It comes up in automatic mode, and I'm just going to grab a power level. I'll set this for, I don't know, 81%. And we'll just run an intent. Okay, the intent will run for 44 seconds. And what you're going to notice is the power level will reset to 0 when the intent is done running. Now, in earlier versions of Aquaware, the power level for the intent would not reset. And what was happening was, for some users, and this is really a safety concern, they would set the power level for 100% and go nucleate their garden hose and water their garden and forget that the power level was set for 100% and then come back in and run something that they're going to use internally in the body, and this would cause a very nasty detox effect. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the intent here, and what you'll notice is the power level over here in the top left is reset to 0, but you have the option to save this session as an ALS, and we're going to do that. Okay, we'll call this session 1. We'll save it as an ALS. What we're going to do is we're going to come over to the advanced features, and we're going to create a QLS, or quantum layering session, and I want to show you, after you save an ALS, how this kind of brings it all together. So we're just going to select the one intent and just build a quick QLS out of that, and we will call it session 1. Save, and we will come back, and now we're going to run this, and a couple things you're going to notice. Okay, by default, you don't have the ability to set the power levels on the water preparation or the user preparation. And again, this was done through actually a long thinking process from Aquaware 3.1. So Aquaware 3 and Aquaware 3.1 have been around since the spring of 2013. And over the last couple of years, I've listened to a lot of my customers and what they like and what they would want and what they don't like, and we've kind of taken all those little tidbits and incorporated them into Aquaware 4.0. So if you remember, we set the power level for the previous intent at 81%, and you'll notice when you run it inside a quantum layering session, it's already set for you, so everything's done. Now, if you just run one intent, or you're experimenting, then it's fine for the power level to reset. But if you run the same one every day, I highly, highly recommend that you use a QLS session, because all of your standard settings are set within that file. They're saved, and you can just run it. And again, where you put your attention, the intention goes. Straightforward. This is really a safety feature that I felt highly about, and I wanted it in there because I don't like people detoxing from the effects of Aquaware. It's not something you want to go through. Anyways, that's just a quick explanation on that. Thank you.